Standard 6th General Science Lesson number 15 Fun with Magnets. Students, have you observed pins in a pin holder do not fall even when it is held upside down? Why is this so? While we are shutting the door of a fridge, we find that it closes automatically from a certain distance and does not open unless pulled down. Then why is this so? Magnet is used in these gadgets. A magnet is fitted in the cap of a pin holder and in the door of a fridge. Iron objects stick to a magnet. What is magnet? The material to which objects made from iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. get attracted is called a magnet. This property of a material is called magnetism. Students, the materials that stick to a magnet are called magnetic materials. Magnetic materials are iron, cobalt and nickel, while those that do not stick to a magnet are called non-magnetic materials like plastic, sawdust, paper, rubber, glass are non-magnetic materials. You know students, from where the magnet is discovered? The magnet is discovered in Magnesia, which is in Greece. The part of Greece there was the magnet discovered. The magnet was a rock, natural rock found to a shepherd. Magnet is used in compass. There is a magnetic needle in compass. What is compass? The compass, that is a rock which is used for finding the direction while traveling through unknown region. Mariners use compass while traveling in the sea. In the sea it is very useful. Compass is very useful while traveling in a sea. There are many types and variety of shapes of magnets. They are all man-made magnets. See, bar magnets, disc magnets, horseshoe magnets, ring-shaped magnets, cylindrical magnets, small button magnets. There are many types of magnets are used in our everyday life in many gadgets. Magnetism, we are going to learn magnetism. Magnet have a magnetic force. Magnet attracts iron objects. In places like factories, ports, garbage depots, large objects are shifted from place to place with the help of crane. In the cranes, there are magnets used to shift the objects. Work is done by magnetic force. This shows that magnetism is a kind of energy. Now we are going to learn characteristics of magnet. See in the picture, magnet is held by a thread in the air. So the magnet always settles in the north-south directions. You know the magnets have two poles, north and south pole, N and S. N is a north pole, S is a south pole. See the iron filings always attract to the ends of the magnet, the poles of the magnet, south and north poles. There is a magnetic force. The magnetic force is concentrated at the two ends or poles of a magnet. If magnet is divided into two parts, two independent magnets are formed. It means two poles of magnet cannot be separated from each other. We can divide them into many small parts, but there are no separate, they are not separated from each other. Magnetism in a bar vanishes after some time. Now see another characteristic of magnet. There is a repulsion between like poles of magnet. What is like pole? Means when we bring north pole to each other, there is repulsion. Means north pole go away from each other, they do not attract with each other. Then there is an attraction between the opposite poles. What are the opposite poles? One is south and other is north pole. These are opposite poles. See, when we bring these two poles together, there is attraction between these two poles. So we can say that there is attraction between the opposite poles. South and north pole attract to each other. These are the properties of magnet. Now see, here is a device, electromagnet. We can make it at home. Take iron nail of about 10 centimeter length and 1 meter long insulated copper wire, a battery cell, pins or other magnetic objects. Wind the copper wire around the nail. Join both the ends of the wire to the cell. One end to positive and other end to negative pole of a cell. Now take the pins near the head of the nail. During the above activity, we saw that the pin stick to the nail because there was a current. Now stop the electric current and see what happens. The pins sticking to the nail fall off. Why does that happen? Magnetism is produced in the nail due to electric current. When it is put off, when we put off current, the magnetism vanishes. Such a magnet is called electromagnet. Now see, here is a maglev train. The properties of electromagnetism and repulsion between magnets are used in a maglev train. Due to repulsion between the train and the rail, the force of friction does not come into play and the train slides over the rails with great speed. The magnets fixed on the two sides of the train help it to move forward. You can see on a YouTube type of maglev train. Now, how is magnetism destroyed? Magnetism is destroyed when magnet is heated, thrown, knocked about or broken into pieces. Therefore, it is important to store magnets carefully. The bar of soft or pure iron protects a magnet. So, it is called magnet keeper. So, magnet is safe in a magnet keeper. So, in this lesson, we learn about a magnet, their properties, their uses. So, you can write exercise of this lesson. Thank you.